Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, October 13th, 2023.
We're thrilled to begin this week's episode by honoring our September Los Al USD Rockstars of the Month. This initiative was created to celebrate and honor the exceptional contributions made by our dedicated Los Al employees. Our certificated Rockstar of the Month is Tisha Thomas, third grade teacher at Rossmore Elementary. And our classified Rockstar of the Month is Miss Candace Aceves, program technician and community liaison for our Child Development Center. Congrats to both Tisha and Candace. In elementary news, walk and bike to school days continued with nearly 500 members of the Weaver and Lee communities walking and rolling to school together this Wednesday. We once again are grateful for the support from the OC Sheriff's Department, California Highway Patrol, and OC Fire Authority for keeping our students and families safe as they traveled to and from school. In high school news, Board President Papa Forehand made a visit to our Griffins in the Life Skills class this week. Participating in a cooking lesson in their brand new Griffin kitchen, students engaged in every aspect of cupcake preparation, from mixing and frosting to baking and decorating. It was a day filled with joy and learning. Additionally, Papa Forehand generously surprised our students and staff with special gifts to remind them of how truly awesome they are. In other high school news this week, our Los Al song and cheerleaders hosted their annual cheer clinic to help raise funds and show community-wide support for St. Jude and its mission of fighting childhood cancer. Griffin cheer and song leaders were joined by nearly 175 elementary and middle school students for a 3-day cheer clinic this week that will culminate this evening as they cheer together at tonight's annual St. Jude football game. And last but not least, we spent time with our McGaugh Sea Lions this week. Board members Marlis Davidson and Scott Fayette joined Dr. Pulver and Principal Wood for a walk through campus. From preschool play to students taking on the role of teachers to some fun Halloween art to reading buddies and some super fun lessons with vocal ranges, our Sea Lions are having an amazing year. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.